Daddy
and
Kittens!
下去吧，你看。
没桶啊，没桶啊。
对了，那个。
Where is his other person? Where the what cloth? Suck the water with the water gun. Very good, yes, that's the way. Wow, wow. Put inside the bucket with another fish. One more time. Okay, you can open. What is it? Wow. Watch. Oh, it's watch. Show me. Wow. So, press. Show me your popcorn. Yummy, yummy popcorn. Jayo. Let's go. Catch. There, here, look, they are here too. Jayo. Let's go. Okay, give to teacher. And now we have 2 goldfish. Oh, okay. Got the balloon. Wow. So we have fish, fish bowl, plants, and stones. And we will make a fish bowl for the fish. Are you ready?
Go!
First, we start from the stones. Now we do the plants and the stones together. And look, what do we have here? We have the snail's eggs. Wow! Now we pour the water into the fish bowl. Very gently. Oh, we need a little more, yes? Okay. Very gentle. Very good. Now we have to put our fish. Let's go, fish. they have a new home. Well done! Good work, everyone!
Sponsored by IQ English.